If your Samsung Galaxy S24, S25 or S26 has stopped fast charging once you have updated your phone to One UI 8.5, then this is what you should do. The new software needs some time to re-index files, update things in the background, and it needs time to learn about the pattern, about how you use your phone. So you have to give the phone some days. Meanwhile, what you can do is you have to update all the applications for which there are updates. So what you do is you have to open Play Store, tap on the profile here, go to Manage Apps and Devices. You will see there will be certain updates which are pending, and you have to select this option, Update All. So update all the applications for which there are updates available. The next thing is different models of your Samsung phone requires different charger and charging cable for fast charging, like 25-watt charger or 45-watt charger and the cable. So make sure that you have the correct charger and the cable. The next thing that you have to do is sometimes when you update the phone, then the wireless charging settings might be changed. So go to settings here, go to battery, go to the option charging settings. Make sure that fast charging and this fast wireless charging both are enabled. Also go back here. What you have to check is check the daily usage and see if application is using a lot of battery. If you see anything suspicious, then you have to disable that particular application for some time. For example, if I say that this messenger is using a lot of battery, so what you can do is you can stop the application for certain time, and to do that one, what you do is go to settings, go to apps, select the application, and from here what you have to do is you have to force stop the application and then OK. So stop the application for certain days and then you can again restart the application. I have not experienced slow charging in my mobile, so hopefully for you also slow charging problem will be resolved. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.